input. So the input tag is used to specify an input field, somewhere where a user can input data. Generally used with inform elements to create input areas. Inputs can be of many different types defined by its attributes. Now, in our web page, we didn't put them in a form because we were just creating an example, but generally we would create a form element, and as part of that form element we would have something that would say this is a put or a get type of form, which means that when you press the select or the button that you associate with it, it either does a put or a get function pass through to whatever function it's going to call. But in our case, we didn't do that. So this is why I'm saying here that generally it's used within a form element. And you can look at forms a little bit more. But we also saw that we used 2 different or 3 different types actually with the button. There are a number of different types that can be associated with input. Things like password. A password, what it does is instead of showing the text, it puts asterisks up automatically. So this input type is something that you would need to go and have a good look at if you want to create input fields, and generally it can be used for quite a number of different things, but in most cases you would want to use this with some other functionality like JavaScript or PHP so that you can actually do some processing on the information that you pass in. That's beyond this course. We're only looking at HTML and CSS, but it's something for you to go and do at a later date.